Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will paint an abstract painting, and I am going to be talking about the story of Dumbo, the lovable elephant with big ears and a warm heart. In this story, you guys will get an example that a weak point can convert into great power. If we believe in ourselves. Dumbo was born in an animal circus. He was different from other elephants because of his large ears. Everyone laughed and made fun of him, and he was really sad and embarrassed. But Dumbo's mother, Mrs. Jumbo, had other ideas. She was determined to make her son feel proud of his unique ears. So she decided to teach him to use his big ears to fly. With the help of his best friend Timothy, a mouse, Dumbo soon mastered the skill of flying. It wasn't long before his talent was on display, and he became a celebrity. Eventually, Dumbo learned that there was no reason to be ashamed of his physical differences. He embraced his ears and used them to his advantage. He showed everyone that being different can be special. And that's the story of Dumbo. He proved that anything is possible if you believe in yourself. So don't be afraid to be unique and stand out from the crowd. So we can learn from this story that, if we work on ourselves, then we can achieve great things in life. I hope you guys liked my video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Do like, comment and share.